Alright, hello YouTube, T-Tom is the Beast, 158-1967, bringing you an unboxing of the Apple EarPods. All that's on these EarPods is it's a plastic wrap which slides right off. I'm not going to pull on the pull tab because I like to keep these intact. And these did come with the nice travel case, which I like. So let's go ahead and take it off, just like so. And there you can see the Apple EarPods. Now, I got these with my iPhone 5S, but I did replace them today at the Apple Store. Right now I'm unwrapping them. So, my opinion on these are awesome. They have awesome sound quality, and they've got really good bass. And I just like them a lot. Come on. Here we go. That's what they look like. Brand new out of the box. And on the right earbud line, you do get your multi-touch control, which press once, plays, pause, hold it in, the center button, activate Siri, double tap it to advance a song, triple tap it to go back one song, and then you got your volume up and down, and then at the end, of course, you got your headphone jack, which I am having trouble picking up. There we go. But yeah, thank you for joining me on this unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and comment for more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.